Sa po tao. Chilo, lao, nga chilo. Kyo butine chi atuti chi kuma viloma. I'm asking Idor to kind of help us understand what they're doing right here. So this is the way the Lahu people worship God in the beginning, right? Before we became Christians. We also practice this right now, right? This is a way to worship God, right? Even as Christians, to praise God and to worship God. And so when we're dancing like this, there has to be some kind of thing in the middle, like the tree that you guys see here in the middle. And it has to be green. It has to be a green tree or some kind of figure that shows. And when the tree is green, that represents that there's life. Okay, so after a few rounds of dances here, we also have like something to offer as well, and it's called rice cake. And so we use those rice cakes to hang it on that tree as a way of honoring or worshiping God. And so this is a different style as in the dances. Pastor Ido, I want to ask you if do they need to have all those instruments at the same time when they dance around the tree? Is it required? Do they need to have it, or it's kind of like optional, whichever instrument that you use? It's an optional. So as long as it sounds good, it's acceptable. Okay. So the more instruments there is, the better the music sounds. And so another question for you is, what about the kind of like the headband that they have around their head? What does that represent? Oh, so those things were passed down from one generation to the next. Looks like this is a different style as well. another question for you, okay? So, since this is the Lahu Si group, right, or the Golden Lahu group, for the other Lahu groups, do they dance the same, or there's a different style of dances? They're all the same. Okay, looks like they're pretty similar to each other. Okay, so the next performance is called Gakichi.